So we've got a problem. I forgot my camera. Andy decided that he just was gonna send this motor, not worry about the consequences of what could happen on a stock motor.
No consequences.
We found these little nuggets in the oil pan, and we're not exactly sure what they are. I thought it was a lash cap at first, but it's definitely not a lash cap. It's got a little thing in it like...
Hey, does these matter?
Well, things aren't going so well so far. But what we found was, as you can see the intakes off of it, these poly studs that go through, and I actually just put these on my car, so now I'm a little worried. Now I gotta check mine, because these go through the head, and as you can see, well, maybe you can't see, yeah, they're actually poking through the head and touching the push rod, and a lot of the material is coming off, and there's actually, we found a chunk in one of these right next to the lifter, so we're gonna pull the heads off, take a look at it. We'll probably pull the oil pan off too, get it cleaned out, get all that out. Hopefully I don't think it messed up the bearing too bad, and then try to put it back together and see if we can send it down Ellis National. But you can see right there where it's been chewing on this for a little bit. Rain does not let up, but we're still, HL actually, still pumping away on the Trans Am. We had to change some things from the previous plan. We did have to cut out an extra bar down there, and we're trying to mush the radiator more forward as far as possible. I did pick the wrong size.
The biggest
He
fucking
did
cores.
recommend something smaller. I didn't think it was too big, but this is a massive core, and I have a feeling it's going to cause other issues. But for now, that's basically where it's going to sit, and continue from there. But we got one core done, the other one he'll have done, and then just like that.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. Alright, so we are running out of time, but that's okay. We're really confident, HL's really confident that we're gonna get this all knocked out before Ellis Nationals this next coming weekend. The problem is there's a lot of unknowns. I got a lot of things that need to be done on that car after we're done building it. And I feel it in my gut. Just like every time, it's gonna be right to the last minute, the very last day. We're gonna be probably at the shop doing alignment and then going straight to the event. We'll get through it, we'll fight, and we'll be out there racing, I'm sure. About the top 10 list, I'm gonna be doing a update video probably next week or maybe the week after that, depending on how busy I get with the Trans Am. But there is gonna be a little bit of a shakeup. I know there was some guys racing this weekend at Streetcar Takeover and other events, so I'll be curious to see how much of a shakeup. Like I said, we are in the thick of it right now, so keep watching. Thank you for everyone out there that has subscribed, that's been watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That really does help me out a lot. I do think that this has a lot of potential to grow to something bigger. So again, thanks a lot, and I'm gonna get back to work.